Hi YouTube fam. I'm new in this platform, so I hope guys that you would support me because I am a mom. I have goals in life, even though I am already a mom of two girls. So through this, I hope through this platform here in YouTube, I am able to earn because of you guys' help. So don't forget to like or comment anything nice, and also please don't forget to subscribe. I'm new in this, my account is new, so that's why I am always thinking what's the niche or what content should I post. So for now I will be posting random videos, so I didn't think any um, viral first because I am just starting. So I hope with your help guys, to all those who subscribe, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It means a lot to me as aspiring um, YouTube content creator or vloggers. So I am a mom from Philippines. So if this video reaches you, from which country are you right now, so please comment so I know where this video reaches. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you had a wonderful day together with your family, and may God bless us all.